In this video, I'm going to show you how to print on Canva, whether you're using your own printer at home or Canva's professional print service. Let's get into it. First, open Canva and go to the design you want to print. Make sure everything looks good and your design is finalized before you start the printing process. Now, let's prepare the design for printing. Click on File at the top, go to View Settings, and enable Show Print Bleed. This adds an extra border around your design that prevents white edges from showing up after trimming. Next, go back to File, then View Settings again, and enable Show Margins. This shows you a dashed line inside your design. Keep all your important text and elements inside this line so nothing gets cut off when the printer trims the paper. Now you're ready to download. Click the Share button at the top right corner, then click Download. In the File Type drop-down, select PDF Print. This is the highest quality format for printing, and it ensures your design comes out crisp and professional. Below that, check the box for crop marks and bleed. This adds guidelines that show where the paper will be trimmed, super helpful if you're printing edge to edge. If you have Canva Pro, you can also change the color profile to CMYK, which is what professional printers use. If you're on the free plan, just leave it on RGB. It'll still print fine. Next, check the box for Flatten PDF. This combines all your layers into one, which prevents any elements from shifting or disappearing during printing. Now click Download. Save the PDF file to a folder on your computer. Once it's downloaded, open the PDF file. Press Ctrl-P on Windows or Command-P on Mac to open the print menu. Select your printer, choose your paper size, make sure the scale is set to 100% or actual size, and then hit Print. If you want to use Canva's print service instead, go back to the Share button and click Print Your Design. Canva will show you a list of print products like posters, flyers, business cards, or photo prints. Pick the one that matches your design. Then choose your paper type, finish, glossy or matte, and quantity. Canva will show you the price and delivery time. Just click Order, enter your shipping address, and Canva will print and ship it directly to you. And that's it. That's how to print on Canva, whether you're doing it at home or using Canva's print service. If this video helped you out, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to Learn Mode Lab so you don't miss more tutorials like this.